Welcome to Cerie's Kitchen, you guys. And today we'll be cooking homemade corn dogs, and these are my ingredients. I have the sticks. You can find them in the arts and crafts section in Walmart or wherever. I have wieners. I have the ballpark frank wieners, the bun size franks. I have a bowl, black pepper, an egg, a cup of flour, a cup of cornmeal, 1/4 cup of sugar, and I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a cup. And we're just gonna get started. Oh, that's milk.
Milk?
Yes, that is a cup of milk. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. So we're just gonna get started. I'm just gonna add my cup of flour, my cup of cornmeal. Let's put this out of the way. Then I'm gonna add my 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm gonna add my 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to, it's a little bit in here, I'm gonna get that. And then I'm gonna add, excuse me, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm gonna add my egg. And my cup of milk. And if you think it looks funny, it's almond milk. That's why it's that color. So we're just gonna stir this up really good. And if it's a little thick, that's okay. I think it's too stiff, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a splash of milk, and that'll do. So now my batter is ready. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wieners and I'm going to put the sticks in. You can also use popsicle sticks or whatever you have. So I'm just going to, you just take it. I've never done this now. And go down the middle of the wiener. So about halfway. I say halfway. And you're just gonna follow this process until you're done. And when we get done with this, we'll see y'all in a few minutes. Welcome back, you guys. And as you can see, we have the sticks in the wieners, and we poured our batter in the cup to make it easy to dip. Now what you want to do is now, you're just gonna, I patted my wieners off earlier, but you just want to pat them off with a paper towel. Just to make sure they're really dry. Because the batter will slip off if you don't. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take the wiener and the stick. And we're going to dip it. Make it go around. There you have it. I think we're going to do one at a time. This is my first time doing it. So it could get a little messy. So we're gonna just We're just gonna do a few of those. Repeat the process. We're just repeating it. And you're just gonna cook them until they're golden brown. Yeah, this is a little messy.
So you got your deep fry on 350?
I think I'm gonna cut it up to 375 to 400. It might not have been on high enough, but it said to put it on 375.